So we're going to go ahead and replace the oil pressure sensor unit, which is right here. It is just above the oil filter, and there's an electrical connector going to it. So you want to reach up, top of the connector, and there's a little spring tab. You want to go ahead and pinch that and wiggle that harness off, and go ahead and pop that off. Now right beside the sensor, there is a harness retainer right here, a little plastic unit. We're just going to go ahead and try and loosen that and pop that off so we can get a socket onto our sensor. I'm going to just use a pair of pliers and work that off. And we'll kind of push this harness off to the side a little bit. We're going to go ahead and put our 27mm socket up on the sensor. Line that up, fit it onto the sensor itself, and then we're going to put an extension into the socket, and then we're going to put our ratchet on that. Let's go ahead and remove that sensor. Now, because this is an oil pressure sensor switch, there may be some residual oil that runs out of that. You want to be able to go ahead and have a catch can and some towels and rags ready to go. You can now take the new sensor, line that up into the port, get this started a few threads. Spin it as far as you can. So we're going to go ahead and put our socket and extension back on the sensor. I'm going to go ahead and just snug that up. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect the connector to the sensor. Line it up, press it on. Now go ahead and reconnect that harness retainer. Push it back onto the stud. Once that sensor has been replaced and reconnected, you definitely want to go ahead and clean up. Clean the residual oil off of the motor. Get everything wiped down. Then you're done.